I'm Gary Dunnington. I'm a breast cancer surgeon at IU Health Physicians, and I've been in practice since 1985. I became a doctor, I believe, because I saw a lot of good examples of role models of physicians as a youngster, spent a lot of time in doctors' offices, as well as I saw the service profession basically role modeled through my father, who was a minister. So I think it was really these role models of service professions that convinced me to be a physician at a very early age in middle school. And it was only later in medical school that I decided to be a surgeon. There are a lot of things I love about my job, but two really seem to stand out. One is I really enjoy engaging with patients and their families at a time in their life when they're very vulnerable, facing a diagnosis of breast cancer, which often not only affects the patient, who's often a wife and mother, but affects an entire family, and I really enjoy that interaction. I think the other thing that's really enjoyable about my job is the nature of it as a multidisciplinary team. I had the wonderful opportunity to start a multidisciplinary breast center at the University of Southern California and then again at Southern Illinois University. And it's a kind of profession that always practices with a group of physicians, other oncologists, radiation oncologists, and others focused on treating the patient with breast cancer. I enjoy learning from other team members and treating patients as a team. When I'm not caring for patients, I actually have a lot of other things to do on campus as the chief of surgery at Indiana University, so I spend a lot of my time taking care of about 100 surgeons across the greater metropolitan region and about 100 residents and trainees involved in research and education. Outside of the medical school campus, my wife and I are avid cyclists. I love reading, often political espionage. I love reading biographies. I spend a lot of time reading leadership literature. And then my wife and I also are avid golfers, and we love to hike the mountains in the summertime.